My name's Nicky Goulder and I'm the Chief Executive of Create. Create is the UK's leading charity that uses the creative arts to connect, empower and upskill children and adults who have challenges in their lives. It all started at this table where I'm sitting in my dining room. I was running an orchestra and was really passionate about taking music out into the community, and I then had a vision for a charity that would work with a really wide range of people who experience challenges in their lives. This partnership with Anthropologie is providing vital funding to enable Create to do the work that we're doing at a time where it's never been more important. For our participants, it really helps them to come together to make new friendships. It's vital for well-being, it builds new skills, confidence and self-esteem. Professional artists play a crucial role in the work that we do. They have really extensive skills and experience of working with participants in challenging settings. The artists create a safe space where they can be creative, work collaboratively to make something new, being guided by really high quality professionals.
I'm Rachel McGivern and I am an artist. In the workshop I'm running with adult carers, we have been exploring lots of different fun art making processes like printmaking with lino and pattern design.
Thinking about the work that our participants create, that makes me incredibly proud, seeing the journey that go on when they come into a project, they build new skills and confidence.